The 2 minutes that I've granted are now over. Minority Leader, Senator Beth Siango, Sergeant at Arms, kindly get Beth Siango out of the chamber. Sergeant at Arms, when the chair is speaking, you don't shout. Take your seats. Honorable senators, kindly take your seats. Take your seats, honorable senators. Take your seats. Honorable senators, take your seats. Honorable senators, I can only give you an opportunity to speak if you're orderly. Then take your seats. Honorable senators, Minority Leader, Sergeant at Arms, order, Sergeant at Arms, can you listen to me? Order, honorable senators. Honorable senators, order, honorable senators. Sergeant at Arms, Sergeant at Arms. Sergeant at Arms. Senator, can I speak to the Sergeant at Arms? Can I talk to the Sergeant at Arms? Sergeant at Arms. Can you tell the Sergeant at Arms to leave alone? Sergeant at Arms. Sergeant at Arms, can you take your positions? Sergeant at Arms, can you take your positions? Sergeant at Arms, take your position to await my further orders. Sergeant at Arms, take your positions and await my further orders. Sergeant at Arms, order. Order, Senator Mazayo. Order. Order, order, order. Can you take your seat? Can you take your seat? I have, everybody has witnessed everything. Can you take your seats? Can you take your seats? Order, order. Can I have the results? Honorable senators, kindly